Ever say something too early and wish you could take it back? Maybe you announced something before it was confirmed. Maybe you acted before the timing was right. For a moment, you felt certain. Then you realize it's too soon. You jumped the gun. English with Bruce. Quick one. Jumping the gun means acting too early before the right time or before you have all the information. In Korean, you can say 성급하게 서두르다. Here's how people actually use it. I don't want to jump the gun, but I'm already planning my move to Hawaii. We're jumping the gun by celebrating before the deal is finalized. Timing matters. Being too early can cost you. Don't jump the gun. Subscribe. I'll see you on Wednesday.